so this is day 3 in Florida. We're fishing the same canal as yesterday, but with less time. So we're just gonna see if we can get a few more, hopefully better size than they were yesterday.
Get them down. I'm getting them to chase me into the middle, and then I'm like pausing in the middle. Got one.
Sean, this is big.
Oh, you want me to grab him?
No, I just,
He's there.
felt decent.
That is decent, dude. Oh my, 2 pounds, easy.
2 pounds easy. He felt so much bigger than that.
That's a good one. We'll get some more size.
You know, it's probably just because I hooked him from all the way down the bank, but this fish, just something about him, I thought it was bigger. There he is right there. Yeah, he's a solid 2 pounds. I still sound like I have a Canadian accent.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. The north.
Yeah, he's a solid 2 pounds, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I never had to look at the pads. I had to look at the grass. Got one? That's not a bad one.
So, throwing a weightless zoom trick worm right up against the pads and working it out in the middle, and they usually just come out and chase it. I watch them swirl on it and eat it.
Fair enough. So then jump up and grab the branch. There's one.
Oh, big one. Yeah, let's go. We catch those. We catch those.
It's not even that good. It's not even 2 pounds. There it is. Hopefully I didn't just cover the camera. It's an alright fish, especially from ice fishing to this. Ugh. Thought I just heard you rip into something. Oh, I called it.
Another decent bass on the trick worm.
It's actually not bad compared to what we were catching yesterday.
Yeah,
Dude, I might need to tie one on.
he got it good. Just paused it. I felt him just absolutely railed.
Right through his face.
Right in the thighs.
Give her a big old pop.
There you go.
There you go.
Teeth are shut.
There's one. Did I lose it? No, he's on there. How can you hit so hard but be so small? Hooked him right in the bottom lip. Ugh. There he is. There's the little guy. Nothing special, but oh well. You gotta give me a warning when you lay into a fish, man.
I thought it was a weed.
Oh. I heard the hook set, and then all of a sudden, I heard splashing across the surface. So the line gets tangled? There you are.
Yeah, every time that I set the hook and they miss it, it like sends the line over the tip.
Oh, I've had rods do that. My Bill Dance rod used to do that.
Let me show you this.
Sean still finds the dinks yet again.
Easy to show.
Not bad. Still throwing the trick worm.
Yes, ma'am. That one was though.
Sean just caught the first one on the frog.
So,
Just finally quit raining for a little bit.
sun kind of came out. for a second.
Partially. I wouldn't rely on the sun. Not bad. Oh my god. We just caught a massive snakehead.
Oh, dude, you got him in the eye.
We're gonna go get this guy unhooked and probably end up tossing him in the bank because they're super invasive.